friends! Today we're going to learn colors, shapes, and numbers together. Also learn to tell the time with our magical wooden clock. Look at this! Wow! We have numbers, colors, and shapes. Let's explore them one by one. Ready? Let's start with the number 1. It's 1 o'clock, and for 1, we have a flower that's pink. Can you say flower? Great job! Flowers are so pretty, aren't they? They grow in gardens and come in all different colors like pink, red, yellow, and purple. Have you ever smelled a flower? They smell so nice. Can you pretend to smell a flower with me? Ready? That's so lovely. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, look, guys. This is the number 2. And it's a heart. It's a red heart. Can you say heart? Wow, great job! Hearts are so special. Do you know what a heart means? A heart is a symbol of love. We use hearts to show how much we care for our family and friends and even our pets. It's 3 o'clock, friends. Number 3. Number 3 is a triangle, and it's orange. Can you say triangle? Great job! Triangles are such fun shapes because they have 3 sides and 3 corners. Do you know what else looks like a triangle? A slice of pizza. Yummy! The pointy top of a pizza is just like the top of a triangle. Next time you're outside, see if you can find things shaped like a triangle, like road signs or flags. It's now 4 o'clock, kids. This is the number 4, and it is a trapezoid. It's a blue trapezoid. Can you say trapezoid? Great job! A trapezoid is a super cool shape. It has 4 sides, but guess what makes it special? 2 of its sides are straight and never touch, and the other 2 sides are slanted, just like a roof of a house. The time is 5 o'clock. And look what we have here, a green pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Awesome! A pentagon is a special shape because it has 5 sides. Pentagons are fun because they look like the shape of a house or the top of a castle tower. You can also see pentagons in the middle of a soccer ball. Can you guys guess what time it is? That's right, it's 6 o'clock. This is the number 6. And look at this shape. It's a yellow semicircle. Can you say semicircle? Great job! A semicircle is like a circle that's been cut in half. It has 1 straight side and 1 curved side. Semicircles are really fun because they look like half moons in the sky at night. The time is now 7 o'clock. This is the number 7. And look, it's a pink star. Can you say star? Wow, you did it! Stars are such magical shapes. They have 5 points like this one, and they twinkle brightly in the night sky. The time is now 8. This is the number 8. And look what we have here, a red octagon. Can you say octagon? Great job! An octagon is a very special shape because it has 8 sides. Do you know where you have probably seen an octagon before? That's right, on a stop sign. Every time you see a red stop sign, you're looking at a big octagon telling cars to stop. The time is now 9 o'clock. This is the number 9. And look, we have an orange moon. Can you say moon? Wonderful! The moon is such a magical shape, isn't it? It lights up the night sky and changes shapes throughout the month. Sometimes it looks like a big circle and other times it's shaped like a crescent. The time is now 10 o'clock. This is the number 10 and it is a blue circle. Can you say circle? Fantastic! Circles are such fun shapes because they have no corners and are perfectly round. Do you know what looks like a circle? That's right, a bouncy ball. It's now 11 o'clock. This is the number 11. And look, we have a green oval. Can you say oval? Great job! Ovals are like stretched out circles. Instead of being perfectly round, they're a little longer on the sides. Can you think of something that's shaped like an oval? That's right, eggs. Eggs are shaped like ovals. The time is now 12 o'clock. This is the number 12. And look at it. It is a yellow square. Can you say square? Fantastic! Squares are super fun shapes because they have 4 sides that are all the same length. Squares are all around us. You can find squares in places like windows and picture frames. Yay! We did it, friends! We learned all the numbers, shapes, and colors, and we told the time. Let's review them together. 1 o'clock, pink flower. 2 o'clock, red heart. 3 o'clock, orange triangle. 4 o'clock, blue trapezoid. 5 o'clock, green pentagon. 6 o'clock, yellow semicircle. 7 o'clock, pink star. 8 o'clock, red octagon. 9 o'clock, orange moon. 10 o'clock, blue circle. 11 o'clock, green oval. 12 o'clock, yellow square. We had so much fun learning about colors, shapes, and numbers today. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and see you next time.